Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9 and today we would like to present our material about semantic dimension. And before we get further, let me introduce our members group. The first one is Azura Rahma Putri, Erika Itzar, and then the last one, me, Karina Isnaini. And then let's begin with the first slide that will be presented by Kak Erika.
Okay, thank you. Cohesion in translation. Semiotic is a systematic study of sign system or structure, sign processes, and sign function. These elements are central to the process of semiosis, and together they constitute a sign. A sign is anything that can be interpreted and must be physically and mentally perceptible. Language is only one of many systems of sign. Winner, 1978 in 337. For the purpose of translation, persuasive advertisement. The various signs, their meaning and significance, as well as their intertextual relationship, text and context, have to be examined in order to establish their significance and their role when translated into another language and culture. From the perspective of semiotic, translation is studied as purely semiotic, at that involve the transition from one semiotic system, search language, to another, target language. This semiotic it can be interlingual, intralingual, or intersemiotic translation. Intralingual translation or rewording. This is an interpretation of the verbal sign by means of the other sign of the same language. One could say similes are used. Interlingual translation or in translation proper. This is an interpretation of verbal sign by means of another language. Intersemiotic translation or transmutation. This is an interpretation of the verbal sign by means of sign of non-verbal system. Okay, next read by Azura.
All right, thank you, KR. Next is thematic and information. In translation studies, the thematic structure refers to how information is organized in the message and how information therefore flows and is interconnected. In particular, thematic structure was described by linguists Holliday and Mathieson. Holliday and Mathieson state that the theme of the statement generally indicates the known information, while the rim indicates the new information. In English, the theme is the first part of the sentence, while the rim is the second part of the sentence. For example, in the sentence, dogs like to run in the park, dogs is the theme, and like to run in the park is the rim. As such, in English, the theme and the rhyme are often distinguished by the word order. However, other language may distinguish the theme and the rhyme by different linguistic means that interpreters must be sensitive to. Next slide, please. All right. For translator, it is necessary that the main theme of the statement be correctly understood. As such, translator must understand the syntax of sentences in the respective languages, as well as the organization of discourse to successfully understand, interpret, and smoothly translate a statement from one language to another. According to Holliday, information structure and thematic structure are patterns to form clauses, while cohesive device can establish relationship between clauses to give a sense of continuity to discourse. Right. So that's all from me. I will give it back to Kak Karin.
Okay, that brings us to the end of this discussion. I sincerely appreciate your attention today, and may this presentation can be useful for us. And the last word, please forgive us if we have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.